This stuff is for my next video. It's gonna involve a poop monster. I think you're gonna like it. I really like having things go inside of that little lip on the miniature. Just takes off a little bit of the height. I mean, we're going to be putting a full-size mini inside of this outhouse. Doesn't need to be any bigger. As soon as I got these foam pillars, I realized it's the wrong material choice. Trying to get a 90-degree cut out of foam so it wraps around the little platform at the bottom, it's nearly impossible. It would have been a lot easier with wood. Trying to get the angle of the outhouse right, while still letting the miniature fit in there. Putting the angle to the side was actually on purpose. It's, well, A, it's the way it was in Trek, and B, it gives a little more chance for a tall mini to find a place to fit. Some of these little minis have things like feathers on their heads or whatever, so if I made it big enough to fit the entire mini all the time, it would just be enormous, but I can make one side of it fit a little bit better. Yeah, I know the moon isn't centered. I'm sorry. Put a little lip on there just to make sure the mini can stand on it. Okay, so I'm pumped about this. This took me a long time to figure out how to work, but I finally got my 3D scanner to get a decent scan of one of my crafts. So what's really cool about this is I could correct some of the mistakes I made. Primarily, I feel like the original craft is too squat and a little bit too big. So I was able to make it both smaller and also to stretch it taller a little bit. I even got the little 90-degree cuts in the pillars so that it was able to sit properly on that platform. And the mini still fits. Calling that a win. Oh, by the way, if you want to download this, there's a link in the description. Totally free. It's a real shame this sprayer isn't working. It would have been super cool to be able to use water-based paint inside. But, oh well. My painting technique feels like casting a magic spell. I'd mostly just repeat techniques from miniature painters I follow on YouTube. Not entirely sure if what I'm doing is working, and just hoping that something ends up making a difference. This complimentary Zenithal trick is something I got from Ninjon. feel like the brown gouache went on a little too thick on the plastic version of this model. I wish it would have left it a little more transparent. So putting some of those yellow highlights back on.